The race to develop ultra-advanced 2nm chips is heating up, with TSMC and Intel making significant technological advancement. TSMC, the world's largest contract chipmaker, announced in June 2022 that it plans to start mass production of 2nm chips in late 2025. Intel, the world's second-largest chipmaker, has invested heavily in 2nm technology and aims to start mass production in late 2024. The race to develop 2nm chips is not just a competition between TSMC and Intel. Other chipmakers, such as Samsung and GlobalFoundries, are also catching up. The development of 2nm chips is a significant milestone in the semiconductor industry. 2nm chips will be significantly smaller, with several benefits, including better performance and energy profile, which have become essential for artificial intelligence and machine learning. As with any progressive technology node, the cost of developing and manufacturing 2nm chips is very high. The primary reason is the lithography equipment and increased process steps. Nevertheless, the potential benefits of 2nm chips are so great that many chipmakers are willing to take the risk. The next few years are crucial for companies focused on bringing 2nm to the market. The development of 2nm chips will also be a significant technological achievement that will undoubtedly move the computing industry faster than ever. The race to develop chips with 2nm will soon heat up, and the semiconductor fab that can provide the correct set of 2nm process technology will have a considerable lead in the semiconductor industry.